Okay, so I think we can all agree that the market here in Halifax has changed. It was inevitable, it was bound to happen, it could not sustain these numbers forever. Just to give you a little perspective on what's happening right now, just for the month of October, 79% of the homes that were listed actually sold. 175 of those homes that did sell sold under ask. And that's something we haven't been able to say for quite some time. 16 sold at ask, and 3 of those homes sold around 100,000 over, and everything in between that did sell over ask, but at varying prices. An interesting number is the average prices of homes has been the highest it's been since June. Back in June, it was running around $545,000 for an average price. Right now, we're sitting at $565,000 for an average price of homes. So interesting numbers. Inventory-wise, right now we're sitting at 695 homes. Our sales year to date is down, and that's been the case throughout the year. Last year at this time, 6,200. Right now, we're sitting around 4,575. So, what's happening? Why is this doing this? My thought is, and of course, it's just one thought, and with real estate, everybody has their own opinion on it. We're neutralizing. The market is starting to stabilize. Within the next handful of months, I predict we're going to be more of a balanced market. So we'll start to shift towards that. I was very fortunate enough to get into the business around 2015, 2016, which was, at that time, the totally other side of the coin. It was a heavy buyer's market. At one point, I think the highest months of inventory is around 19. And what that means is if nothing else was to come to market, it's going to take 19 months to sell or saturate off the market. Right now, we're at 1.5. It's been consistently under 1 month of inventory. So one of the things, the interesting conversation we're having with our sellers is to setting the expectation. A lot of sellers are still expecting to get those high outrageous prices. My neighbor sold his house for $200,000 over ask, 6 months ago, 10 months ago. Why can't I get this number? Those numbers are just not happening. We still have very low inventory, as you can see. And it is still tough to find a home, but we are starting to get into, and the winter months tend to slow down anyway. But I think within the next 4 to 6 months, we are going to get into a more balanced market. First timers, there are programs out there, programs that not a lot of first timers know about that can help and assist you in purchasing a home. Really still important, if you're out there looking for property and you find something you can afford, legitimately can afford, purchase it. Don't wait. Get in the market, start building your equity, especially for your first timers. Starting to build your net worth at a young age is really important. I manage properties, and the rental market throughout the year has been insane. Consistently around 1%. I think we're in around the 2.5% vacancy rate right now. I get calls continuously of people looking for homes. And the rent's has skyrocketed. On average right now, for a simple 2-bedroom, you're over $2,000. Somewhere's, even close to $25,000, $3,000 a month, depending on the home or the apartment. Anyway, so interesting times. Would love to get your feedback. What do you think is happening? Interest rates, of course, inflation is certainly having an impact on people's ability to buy homes. Leave a comment. Would love to get your feedback on this hot topic, and it always will be. Real estate's a moving target, and always good for a conversation. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon.